So hello children, we move on to part 2 of our video lesson on problem based on chemical equations. So first part we have seen what is weight and weight volume relationship. So in this video we will do 2 more sum to work more on this concept, and let us see. So this is ICSE 2012, and next I'll solve 2018, and other question also I'll solve later, where we will see there are some small tricks, some variation in some questions. So these are traditional direct type of questions. So what is the question? Let us see. You can see your book, page number 101 here. Otherwise, if you see ICSE question 2012, phosphorus reacts with nitric acid to give you phosphoric acid, water and nitrogen dioxide. Once more, phosphorus reacts with 5 molecule or 5 moles of nitric acid to give you phosphoric acid and water and 5 moles of nitrogen dioxide. So question is, if I take 9.3 gram, I don't take 9.3 gram of, if you see question, phosphorus, not, I think 9.3 gram of phosphorus, not nitric acid, children. 9.3 gram of phosphorus. So these questions are based on 9.3 gram of phosphorus. So as per equation, see, 2 set of data you get. So if you take 31 gram of phosphorus, see, this is a multiple, children. 9.3, 31 threes are, but then divided by 10 you have to do. So remember, any question, see, ICSE has a separate maths paper. So whenever you do this mentally, you can also see that this generally are a multiple and there is a factor. Okay, so 31 grams of moles of P taken. So now see, 31 gram, first part I am solving, 31 gram of P, phosphorus is 1 mole. So 1 gram of phosphorus is 1 by 31 mole. So finally 9.3, children, if you see, of phosphorus. So as I said, it will cancel, 10 will come 3s are. So 3/10 means 0.3 mole. Once more, 31 gram is 1 mole. So 9.3 is 0.3 mole, means 30%. 10% is 3.1, 1 decimal you remove. So 30% is 9.3. Second part, mass of phosphoric acid form. So here see, whatever we need, we don't find all the molecular weight. Mass of phosphoric acid. So see, 31 grams gives how much? So as per equation of, so this equation will tell, then we will see for 9.3 gram. So here let us find the molecular weight of phosphoric acid. H3PO4, hydrogen is 1, phosphorus is 31, oxygen is 16. Hydrogen is 1, phosphorus is 31, so we get 3 plus 31 plus 16 4s are 64. Okay, so 64 plus 31 plus 3, 8. 78 gram is, sorry, 4 plus 1, 5, 3, 8, 6 and 3, 9. 98 gram is the molecular weight of phosphoric acid. So if you take 31 gram of P, phosphorus, we get 98 gram of phosphoric acid, H3PO4. So 1 gram, children, I'll show you by mole concept also. 1 gram will give you 98 by 31. So I take 9.3 gram. So I'll get 98 by 31 into 9.3. So this will go, 10 will come, decimal 3s are. So we get 98 into 3 is 294 by 10. 29.4 gram of phosphoric acid will be formed by 9.3 gram of phosphorus. Okay. Now this question, same children, if I do based on mole mass of phosphoric acid. So here you see 1 mole, or another way, 1 mole of phosphorus gives you 1 mole of P, gives 1 mole of S3PO4. So 0.3, here I have shown you 0.3 moles. So here 1 mole, 0.3 mole will give you 0.3 mole of S3PO4. So 0.3 mole, 3 by 10. What is 1 mole of? This is 1 mole. 98 gram is 1 mole. Okay, so you multiply by 98. See, same thing you get, children. 3 by 10 of 98. Same thing ultimately you get. 1 mole gives you 1 mole. 0.3 mole will give you 0.3 mole. But 0.3 mole of phosphoric acid has a different mass. 0.3 mole of this is 9.3. 0.3 mole of this is 29.4 gram. Now, I hope you have understood then volume of NO2 formed. So kindly pause the video and copy. Then we move on to the last part of this question. Then we will do 2018 question. Next, we see the last part. Volume of NO2 produced. Here also I'll show you 2 methods. Okay, number 1 is method 1. Traditional method, 31 gram of phosphorus as per equation gives you 5 into 22.4 liter. So 5 moles, 31 gram, 1 mole of phosphorus gives you 5 moles of, so here we take volume, molar volume, 1 mole's volume is 5 into 22.4 liter of N2. Okay. So 1 gram, simple maths, 5 into 22.4 by 31 gram of N2. So this is 9.3 gram. Okay. 5 into 22.4 by 31. Okay, this much liter. So this goes 3 times, but 10 comes down. 2s are. So 11.2 into 3, 33.6 liter. Traditional method. 31 gives this 5. So volume is there. We don't take mass of NO2. Remember, this is mass-volume relationship. Okay, first one was, I think, mass-mass relationship. So here 1 gram will give you less. Unitary method 9.8. Same thing if you do, children, by molar volume method. Sorry, method 2, mole method. So 1 mole of P gives 5 mole of NO2. So 0.3 mole will give 5 into 0.3 mole of NO2. But what is volume of 1 mole? 22.4 liter. If you convert 1 mole into volume, so see, children, finally we get 3 by 10. So almost same, you see, 5 by 10. 3 is there, 22 into 4. So almost same thing we get, children, here if you take mole also. So this is by taking mole also. 1 mole of phosphorus gives 5 mole of NO2. 0.3 mole will give 5 into 0.3 mole. But here 1 mole of nitrogen dioxide or any gas is 22.4 liter. So this side we take volume, children. Okay, 0.3 mole we have got. We don't write 9.3 because in part 1 we have already got this is 0.3 mole. So this is second method. So remember, ultimately the final step is same. So this is about our question number ICSE 2012. Now we will do one sum 2018. So kindly pause the video and copy. So next we see 2018 question where we have aluminum carbide reacts with water to give you aluminum hydroxide and methane. This is methane. Last chapter children we will see in organic chemistry. Methane is a gas. Okay, hydrocarbon, carbon and hydrogen. So here we don't have to find the molecular weight. So relative molecular mass, okay, is given 144 and 78. So first question, mass of aluminum hydroxide formed from 12 gram of aluminum carbide. So see here, I'll use a blue pen to show you this. So first thing, what we get from chemical equation, 144 gram of aluminum carbide, relative molecular mass is already given. If you write gram, then it is gram molecular mass. So relative molecular mass is without unit because we compare it with 1/12 of carbon 12. 144 gram gives 4 into 78 grams. Once more, 144 gram gives you 1 mole gives you 4 mole. 144 gives you 4 into 78. Our question is 12 gram. If we take 12, how much of aluminum hydroxide we will get? Once more, 144 gives you this 12. So remember, 12 is 1/12. 12 12s are 144. What is 1/12 of this? So mentally if you do, I'll show you 1/12. So 12 is 1/12 of 144. So 78, you find 1/12. So 3 4s are 3, 2s are 6, 26 gram should be the answer for this. So see here, I'll show you, this is mental maths. Okay, this is I have done by mental maths. See how 12 gram is 1/12 of this. So this what we get will be 1/12 of that. But how we do? So if you want to write and do, see this is how we do it. Okay, so that was mental maths. You may not get full mark in exam. So 144 gram of aluminum carbide gives, this is unitary method, I'll show you by ratio method also, gives 4 into 78 gram of aluminum hydroxide, AlOH will twice. So 1 gram will give children 4 into 78 by 44. So finally how much 12 gram will give? So 12 gram will give you 4 into 78 by 44 into 12. 144. This is children. So, and this is 12. So 12 times, you see same thing what I told you, 3. And this will give you 3 2s are 6, 126 gram. Traditional unitary method. Once more, two things are given from equation. 144 gives you 4 into 78, 12 will give you this. If you do ratio method children, this was not mental maths, I showed you first step. This is method 1, mental maths was okay, another method. Method 2, 144 gram, don't write gram, gives 4 into 78. So 12 will give, suppose x. So product of extreme, x into 144 is product of mean. So x is 4 into 78 into 12 by, see ultimately children you get same thing, 4 into 78 into 12 by 144. 12 12s are 144, 3 4s are 12, and if you cancel 26 grams. So three things are there. 2 we get from equation, 1 is given, 4th thing we find. 144 gives 4 into 78, 12 will give how much? Part 2, volume of methane. So first was, this was weight relationship, a mass relationship. Second part of the question, we have mass volume, a weight volume, we can call it. Now, weight. Here, volume of methane produced. So if you see 144 gram of Al4C3 gives 3 into 22. See here children, we have to take volume 22.4 liter. This much liter, so 1 gram will give this much. So I have finally 12 gram. 1 gram would have given by 144. So $12 gram will give more. So this is 5.6 liter. Okay, so once more we see that volume, what you do, you could have done by mole method also. 144 gives 3 into 22.4, 12 will give you this. Another method you could have done mole. This is 1/12. Same way you get 1/12 of this. Okay, so ultimately we get same thing children. So once more, 144 gram as per equation gives you 3 into 22.4 liter of methane. So 1 gram will give this much of methane. 12 gram if you take, it will give you 5.6 liter of methane. So in this two video we have seen what is how we do problem based on chemical equation. So we have learned two things: weight relationship and weight volume relationship. So in the coming video we will see more of some other topic and some more problem based on chemical equation also. Thank you children for watching this video lesson.